Welcome back to Fix It 8. I'm 8 and I'm trying to fix it. Today, we've got a helicopter. Look at that. How cool is that? Pretty cool, gotta be honest. Now, I bought this off eBay. I will put the ad around about here, I think. So, it's not working. It's not powering on. Apparently. The helicopter. That is. So, I will stick the charger in. We'll leave that for a little bit. Whilst I put batteries in this. So, let's just quickly open this up. Six AA batteries. Right, so that one goes in there like that, and that one goes in there. Scooby Doo ba doo doo ba ba. Scooby Doo. See if we get any life in this now. Yes. Ah, put the cover back on it. There we are. So yeah, we got life in this. It's such an ape of a PlayStation controller though, there. These don't do anything by the looks of it. So turbo, light bulbs, A, B and C. I don't know what A, B and C is. I'm sure we'll figure that out. But let's switch this on. Right, so I've switched that on now. It's still plugged in. A, B, C. No, nothing. We have nothing. Nope. Okay. So we need to take a look then, don't we? So let's turn this off and move this out of the way in a minute. So what's the best way to tackle this first? Is it to get this cover off, is it? I would think so. Right, let's stop talking and let's start moving. Start shaking and grooving. Is there any end of there? Don't feel like. Oops. Oops a daisy. Nope, that's coming off nice. And there's the wires to the LED. Now here's your battery by here. Some random eyelash in there. Just having a look to see if I can see anything. I don't know if that's me, but that chip down in there, don't know if you can see it, the white one. Yeah. Doesn't look very clever. Or is it just dirt? Hopefully that's just dirt. Right, all we need to do now is, first off, is try and find out if there's any power going to the battery. So it's positive there, and then it's negative down here. Right. So there's the positive. Okay, right way round. Come on now, come on now. There's negative. Nothing whatsoever. Is it the battery that's too bad? Something's not right there, is there? So we'll have to take him apart because I can't really see what's going on. Does this give us any better insight into what's going on? It all looks very dirty in here, I gotta say. Dry, like, if that means anything. Oh, wait there. And negative goes straight to the side of the charger. So I might not have been putting it in the right place. Let's have a look then. There's a positive, and there's the neg. Keep doing it the wrong way round. Yeah, actually, so let's stick that in there. It's not getting through, is it? Let's have a look then. Let's take it apart. Let's get the circuit board. So we got red there, white there, black there, red there, blue there. Did anything go to this end one? Let's bring you in a bit closer. See this end one, yeah? But I can't see any wires that are not attached to anything, so I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think there's an issue here in terms of the wires. Hey, can this come out? Let's get that out of the way. Oh, what's this? What is that? Like some sort of corrosion. It goes to whatever this is. Oh, I don't mind. Is it? Because it's over here as well. Oh, something being spilt on this board. Uh, 2010. This thing's quite old. Check the switch. No. The switch isn't working. That's off. Oh, wait there. No, it is. The switch is working. It's me being a dick. Right. So the switch is fine. Being this old, there's a very, very strong possibility this battery is full bad. In fact, I think it is. I can see a lot of crustiness. It might be that was in there. Yeah, I think it's the battery. Yeah, it is. Look. Batteries, that's where all this white stuff is, the battery leaking. Booger! Right, so let's desolder this battery first. Just clean that up. That one. White one came with it then. But we sort that out now. So pigeons outside going to town. Yeah. Let's put that white one back in for shits and giggles. No. Yeah, this battery has given up the goose. Given up the ghost, no, the goose head, the ghost. Well, I said goose, right? Okie doke, so I need one of them. Tell you what. We can still test if this is working. Oh gosh, it's fiddly. It's fiddly as. Yes! Yes! So it is the battery. Oh, there we are. Yeah, it's working. Oh, what's that come off now? Oh, they'd be on the sides, they would, wouldn't they? Right, so at least we know it's working. It's the battery that's gone. This. So I need to order one of these. So that's great news. Another thing to check is voltage coming in here. Because even though we got voltage in this, it doesn't seem to be coming over here. Or is that because there's no battery on it now? So I come back to this, even though I put it back together, because I was thinking, is the charge coming through here anyway, even though the battery's knackered? So I want to check this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder this battery to it. Fair play, the solder they've used is terrible. Here we are. here we are. So when do we got power? But does it charge? Turn that off. Get this now. I don't think it's charging, is it? It does help if you have it plugged in. Jesus Christ. Right, let's try again. 4.2 and it's going up, so it is charging. 4.1, put the charger in, and we got 4.2 and it's going up. Brilliant. So yeah, that's working. So what I'll do now is I will put it back together until the battery arrives, but I consider that fixed. So there we are. It was the battery all along, and that's what that white stuff was. It's leaking, and if we have a closer look in here, you can see loads of white stuff and here coming out here, and well, you can actually look how swollen it is as well. So that's the end of that one. So I'll order a battery and then I can have a go with the helicopter. Haha, brilliant. I hope you've enjoyed the episode, and I will see you very soon. Thanks everyone. Ta-da!